Hi, thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm so glad you are able to come along and share with me my DIY for 2021 decorating trends on a budget, and this is part 3. Okay guys, so I have uploaded part 1 and part 2, and I will have the link to those videos down in the description box. And so just come along with me for the series, and we are going to go ahead on and jump into the video. Okay, and here are my tables. My end tables was like a mahogany wood, and I was trying to find some other tables that I liked, but I couldn't find anything. I had to order some, and the places I went, they didn't know how long it would take for them to arrive because of the pandemic. So I just went on and I had the glass cut for this size table. Went on and blinged out the edge of it and the legs, and so I got 2 of these, one on each end of the couch. And I did my coffee table the same way with the glass. Oh, my grandson got his little smears hands on it, so that need cleaning. And here my console, I did the same things. So I spray painted this metallic silver, had the glass cuts for it, for the top and the bottom. And that's what it looking like. And guys, here is another one of my Tiebacks. It's like a sage green, and I DIY'd this one as well. And this is holding my curtain back so beautifully. Okay guys, here is another piece that I DIY'd. Both of these pieces came from Homeco, and they were gold. And I went on and put my bling bling on them, on both of them, well, on all 3 of them. There's the shelf, and here is the vase with the frosted paint and the mirror glass paint. The looking glass paint is what they call that. Okay, here's another Tieback I did. And so I just used some ribbon and put some bling bling on it, and put a little end on it, a little bling bling to hold it as the Tieback. And here are some little purse pillows that I did. And I just did this out of the drying cloth from the Dollar Tree, the diamonds from Dollar Tree, this from Dollar Tree, and also this ribbon. I think it came from Hobby Lobby. But I made 4 of these, and my little grandson, he just played with them like they his little pillows. But yeah, they're a little clutch pillow. Okay. And this is another DIY I did right here. This was a burgundy tall vase, and I went on and spray painted metallic silver, and I put the bling on it, and I put the floor in it. And no, the floor was not from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, there you have it. And here's another piece that my husband found. I guess you said my husband finds a lot of different things, but someone had put this picture out and it was all dingy. The paint on it had some greenery on it. It looked a hot mess. And so my husband brought it home to me because he knew that I can restore this, revive it, and bring it back to life. Now, I was going to put this picture on Facebook Marketplace, but my husband said no. He took it from me and he put it in his man cave. And here is my DIY on my mail slot. Here's another DIY I purchased from Home Co, and I changed the color from gold to silver. Okay guys, so this concludes my DIY 2021 Decorating Trends on a Budget series. And I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead on and watch another one of my videos and subscribe, comment to both of them, and hit the like button and the notification bell so you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Okay guys, so I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I will see you in the future, and your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.